Hello everyone, welcome to Nice Light Media. So today I'm going to show you all how to retouch eyes, how to whiten eyes. I'm going to show you just 2 steps, and these steps are very simple, common steps many people use on their image. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this, how to do this. Now the first thing you are going to do is to duplicate your layer after you have already done with your editing process, your retouching, everything. Then the next thing you are going to do is to duplicate your layer. When you duplicate your layer, you zoom your image up, but before you do your eyes whitening, make sure you have already applied your color, everything you want to do, you have already done with them. And the final one should be your eyes whitening. Now after duplicating your layer, then you come to this plus sign here, you click on it to create a new layer. Click on it, then you come to edit, then you come to fill, then you change your content to 50% gray. Change your content to 50% gray, then you click, and then you change it from normal, you change the blend mode from normal to soft light. Change it to soft light. Then you come, you pick your brush tool, then now you change the foreground color, change it to black and white. So let the white be on the up, so you change it to white and black. You change it to white and black, then you zoom your image up, you zoom it, then you apply it on it. So I hope you can see. When white, you try to avoid the red place, the red corner of the eyes. You try to avoid the red corner of the eye, so that when so that your picture won't look artificial. So now you can see before and after. You can see before and after. So you can reduce the opacity here. You can reduce the opacity. You can see. Reduce the opacity. So now see the before and after. So this process. Another process I want to show you is, now after this, then you come to, you click here, then you come to black and white. You click on black and white, then your picture will appear like this. You drag this one down a little. This is simple step. Take this one up a little, then you click Control I to hide this black and white. You click Control I to hide it. Then now you pick your tool, you zoom your picture up, then you whiten your eye. So this is another step, and this is the step I always use on my image because it gives me something natural than the previous one I first showed. So this is it. You can see this one, it gives you something more natural than that previous one. So there are many ways to whiten eyes. But I just want to show you guys this 2 steps of eyes whitening. So these are the 2 steps to whiten eye, and so you can see the before and the after. You can see before and after. So if you see that the eyes is somehow dark, you can come and increase the red a little. You increase the red a little, then increase the yellow also. Then now you can see before and after. So this is all about eyes whitening. I hope with this you will be able to whiten your image eye properly. So don't forget to follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of our amazing video. See you in our next session.